Good morning my friends, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday. The days are all blurring into one. Another day in isolation, baby. Hope you guys are all doing well and keeping safe. It's like 10:15 right now. I just had myself some breakfast. I made overnight oats a couple days ago, which are so good. If you guys want to see like a recipe or just like how I make them, let me know. I'll definitely show that in a vlog if you guys want to see it, because they are so good. This is my first time making them, and I definitely winged it for the most part, but they still turned out amazing, and they're just so nice, so filling, nutritious, incredible. Big fan. I also had a coffee and just sat and chatted with my fam for a bit. I'm now in my room on my floor. I don't know what am I doing here? Am I Trisha Paytas? This just seemed like a good spot to vlog. The lighting in here isn't the best at the moment because it's a really rainy and gloomy day outside. I'm gonna take a shower and wash off my tan because I did a bit of fake tanning last night. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I definitely look a lot tanner than I was yesterday. I was just feeling a little, not down, but like just not feeling myself. So I just put a bit of fake tan on my chest and my face and a little bit on my arms. I didn't do my body or my legs because that just seemed like too much work for me. Also, I just know that I'll be in track pants pretty much all weekend because it is so cold and gloomy. Speaking of track pants, I ordered some from Cotton On at the beginning of this week. Paid an extra $2 for express shipping, and they're still not here. That was like Monday, maybe even Sunday, and it's now Saturday. A little disappointing, Cotton On, but to be expected. I mean, we are in the middle of a global pandemic, so I probably can't complain too much.
There's people that are dying.
But I didn't even get like I don't think they've even sent it out. Since then, I've ordered, oh my god, you guys, my online shopping addiction has been real. It's really bad. But I have ordered like 3 other things since then, after then, and they've all shipped. So I'm just really confused. I might chase that up today. We'll see. Anyway, enough about my track pant debacle. I just really wanted them before the weekend because I knew it was going to be so cold and gloomy, and these are like my only track pants that I'm wearing right now, so a little bit of a situation, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go wash off my fake tan, and then I think I'm gonna go for a walk with Nick. Look at my little cutie boyfriend. He got me a box of Krispy Kreme donuts because a couple of days ago I said I was really craving these, just period things. And he got me some on his way over, which is so cute. You should have seen the exchange of the donuts because, as I mentioned, we're socially distancing from each other. So you have to put these down in the front seat, walk away, and then I had to pick them up. What a weird old time we're all in. So surreal. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy one of these, and then I think I'm gonna do my makeup actually for the first time like all week. Anya has been asking to do my makeup for a while, so I'm gonna let her do that, and then I'm gonna sit down and film a video. I'm gonna do a Q&A and just sit down, have a little bit of a chit chat, and then I don't know what else I have planned for today. Probably just chill out, to be honest, play some Sims. Love some Sims. Okay, Anya has finished doing my eye makeup. I'm actually very impressed. My little beauty guru sister. I don't normally do a ton of eyeshadow because I have really weirdly shaped eyes, but she's done a really good job. It's super simple but really accentuates the eyes and my eye color. My mom was like, oh, it accentuates your blue eyes, and I was like, Mom, I have freaking green eyes. But thank you. Clearly she doesn't pay any attention to me. Classic middle, actually I'm not the middle child. Not the youngest, not the oldest, not even the middle, just the forgotten one who apparently has blue eyes. That's news to me. Anyway, I'm gonna do my face makeup, and then Anya's gonna come in and do my blush and highlighter, and then just like fix up my eyes, and we'll be done. I've now just gone ahead and put on some primer. I use the Jeffree Star, what is it? The Liquid Frost. This is the color Expensive, and I mixed it in with my Hangover X primer. Just mix these two up. It's very shimmery, like very shimmery. I don't know if you can see the glow, but maybe when I put on the rest of my face makeup, it won't be quite as intense. This is how my makeup turned out. I think it looks so good. Thank you to Anya. We are now actually going to go do my dad's makeup. I think we'll probably do it in here because we've got everything set up. But he is dressing up as the Mad Hatter for his weekly Skype sesh with his bestie. Oh god, the things you do for the ones you love.
Dude, this is good. He looks like a raccoon, but like a gay one because it's all colourful.
Yeah.
Can you do that thing where
We lift up your saggy eyelids. I'm just saying she didn't have to ask me to do that when I was doing my makeup.
Well, it's not
No,
surprising.
actually
You're
you
only
did.
24.
Also,
I'm 23!
Oh my god.
What?
That makes you look scary. I don't like it.
Let's see. Oh.
Oh, he's really good. Why are you staring like that? He looked like a lizard.
That's actually quite sore.
That's beautiful.
Oh, shit.
You look like you're in physical
It's not that bad, bro. We do this every day.
Respect.
Where are you?
Yes. Yes.
When are they? What happened to them? You look like you've gone to some jam or something. Here it is. Finished.
Inspiration.
Is it that
Nailed
bad?
it.
I don't really want to look at myself because I'm worried that you haven't done a good job. Fucking idiot! What the fuck is that? What?
You look like him.
Dad, that's his best this week.
I look more like the fucking Joker.
Go show mum. Go show.
Is that good?
You kind of look exactly like him.
Hello guys, so it is Sunday now. Mum has been busy at it, cooking up some chicken cacciatore. Oh, hello. Looks and smells so good. I haven't really had lunch or anything to eat since breakfast, so I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a bit of a smoothie. Gotta have my oats. Oats are a serious game changer. Not only do they thicken it up, but it also just makes it so much more filling. I also always put in some of my Happy Way vanilla protein. I think I might add some chia seeds and some dates. I'm not the biggest fan of dates, like just normally. I'm never like, I fancy a date. But in smoothies, I love them. Obviously, gotta have my tried and true banana. There's not really that many ripe ones. Oh, whoopsies. Sorry to whoever has that one. This is so hard to do with one hand. Oh my god, I'm making a right old mess here. Cool. Banana has been obtained. And then I normally do half soy or almond milk, oat milk, whatever we really have going, and then half water. Oh, and peanut butter, probably the most important part. And this is it. This is my normal go-to smoothie. I get so many questions whenever I post on my Instagram story. I do switch it up from time to time, like I made a berry smoothie the other day. I think I vlogged that. I normally try and list the ingredients, but sometimes I forget. So here it is. Dates, peanut butter, oats, chia seeds. Sometimes, I don't always put chia seeds in. Vanilla protein, some kind of like soy, almond, oat milk, whatever your preference is, and then a banana. Oh. I'll admit it definitely doesn't look the best or like the most appetizing thing, but it tastes really good. Also, if you guys want to thicken it up, just add ice. We just don't have any ice at the moment because our ice machine is broken. I'm gonna go enjoy my smoothie, write myself a little to-do list for the upcoming week, hang out with my little pupster. Hey, are you sad that I didn't take you on a walk? I'm sorry. You already went on one and you're really annoying to walk with.